Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a little share birthday challenge I'm entering. So it is for Lorraine Barton here on YouTube, New Beginnings, and I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can find out how you can help her celebrate her 65th birthday as well. So she's just asking for an ATC or MEMORYDEX, crafter's choice. You have to be 18 years or older and a visible subscriber. And she says a VR is not required. But I am sharing with you and letting you know about her challenge anyway. So I did make her a MEMORYDEX card. And this is the MEMORYDEX that I made her. And I just have it layered up with some chunkiness. And then my information on the back. But that's my MEMORYDEX that I'm submitting to her for her challenge. Happy birthday, Lorraine. And then I also made her a card using the Makaz Home's paper collection. And then I did include some surprises, but I do want to show, I'm not going to show the surprises, but I do want to show the bag topper I made because I did receive this seam binding as a gift from Donna Dreams ×3 here on YouTube. Thank you, Donna. And I just added this resin rose to the center of the bow I made with the seam binding. And she hand makes these seam bindings. She's actually got a series right now on her channel. You can follow along to see how she's made them. So that's my entry for Lorraine Barton, New Beginnings here on YouTube. Happy birthday again, Lorraine. And until the next video, shakas.